Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to integrate Firebase into any Flutter project from scratch. So, what is Firebase? Firebase is a backend-as-a-service platform by Google that provides tools like authentication, real-time databases, cloud storage, and analytics, all without you having to build and maintain your own backend server. It's perfect for Flutter developers who want to focus on building great apps without worrying about server infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a Firebase project, connect it to your Flutter app, and verify that everything is working correctly. Before we begin, make sure you have Flutter installed on your system, a basic understanding of Flutter and Dart, and a Google account to access Firebase. Alright, let's dive in. First, we need to create a Firebase project. Open your browser and go to firebase.google.com. If this is your first time, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, click on Get Started by setting up a Firebase project. Let's name our project. I'll call mine Ed Bank App, but you can name it whatever you want. Click Continue. For the enabled Gemini in Firebase, I just keep it enabled. Then, click Continue. Firebase will ask if you want to enable Google Analytics. I recommend enabling this as it helps you track user engagement and app performance. But for now, I just toggle it off and click Create Project. Wait a few seconds while Firebase sets everything up. Perfect! Our Firebase project is ready. We will minimize the screen and open the terminal. Now comes the exciting part, connecting Firebase to our Flutter app. We'll use the FlutterFire CLI, which automates most of the configuration process. First, we need to install the Firebase CLI. In your terminal or command prompt and run npm install-g firebase-tools. If you're on Mac and have Homebrew, you can also use brew install firebase-CLI. Wait for the installation to complete. Perfect. Now navigate to your Flutter project directory. You may create new Flutter project or just simply use your current project. For me, I just simply use my current project. Let's log in to Firebase from the project terminal by running Firebase login. This will open a browser window. Sign in with the same Google account you used for the Firebase console. Click Allow to give Firebase CLI the necessary permissions. Great! Now back in the project terminal, let's install the FlutterFire CLI. Run Dart pub global activate FlutterFire _CLI. It looks like FlutterFire not export the path automatically into my bash RC file, but we will confirm it first. Use Firebase -- version to check the Firebase version. If installed correctly, it will show the version. And that's it. Firebase is ready. Now let's check for FlutterFire installation by using FlutterFire -- version. Yep, command not found. Let's fix this problem. Open back your terminal, then open the bash RC file. Scroll to the end of the file and copy link to export the path. Paste it and save the file. Restart the bash script. Let's test it again in the project terminal. In project terminal, You also need to restart the bash script, source/.bashrc. Check the FlutterFire version again, and that's it. We have successfully exported the path. Now, here's the magic command that does most of the heavy lifting. FlutterFire configure. This command will show you a list of your Firebase projects. Use the arrow keys to select the project we just created, EdBank app in my case, and press enter. It will ask which platforms you want to support. Use the spacebar to select or unselect. I just leave all platforms selected, but you might choose only Android and iOS. Then press enter. Watch as FlutterFire automatically downloads your configuration files, places them in the correct directories, and creates a file called firebaseoptions.dart with all your Firebase settings. Awesome! The configuration is complete. Now let's add the Firebase packages to our project. Open your pubspec.yaml file. Under Dependencies, add Firebase Core and Firebase Auth. Let me explain these quickly. Firebase Core is the core Firebase package. It's required for any Firebase service. Firebase Auth provides authentication functionality like email with password login, Google sign-in, etc. Now, let's initialize Firebase in our app. I will create a new file, testfirebase.dart. I will copy the code for this Flutter file. Don't worry, this code is available in my GitHub. Check the link in the description. Let me explain what's happening here. Widgets Flutter binding.ensure initialized ensures Flutter is ready before we initialize Firebase. Firebase.initialize app connects your app to Firebase using the configuration we just set up. Default Firebase options.current platform automatically selects the right configuration for Android, iOS, or web. This creates a simple app with a message confirming Firebase is connected. One more thing before testing on Android. Open android/app/build.gradle and make sure min SDK is set to at least 21. Find the default config section and change. Min SDK equals flutter.min SDK version 2, min SDK equals 21. This is required because Firebase needs Android 5.0 or higher. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Firebase into your Flutter project. You now have the foundation to add powerful features like authentication, real-time databases, cloud storage, and more. In future videos, we'll explore these Firebase services in detail, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!